I think the future of rail in New Zealand is very exciting. There's a very strong pipeline of work. The industry as a whole is building its capability and capacity. There's some great projects on the horizon such as IREX. So there's a really strong focus and future for rail and for people that want to work in the rail industry. Collaboration on a project such as Weritaki Park's vital. There's so many sort of moving parts to this project. The design's changing, the scope's changing, you've got different stakeholder requirements, different budget constraints. So when you're working in that sort of dynamic environment, it's really important that all parties are collaborative so that you can have the ability to be agile and change as time goes on and not being constrained by sort of contractual requirements. So collaboration on these type of projects is just vital. I enjoy working for Downer because they're such a diverse company. We have multiple other businesses which you can transition into and out of. So I've been with Downer for 14 years now and I've had various roles in various locations, and I've always enjoyed the challenge that they've put in front of me.